Hello guys. Welcome to Clever Coder. In this video we will learn how one can install Linux on existing Windows using VirtualBox. Here I will be using Ubuntu Linux distribution, however you are free to choose Linux of your choice. Procedure for installation is more or less same. In this setup Windows operating system will act as host operating system while Ubuntu will be the guest operating system. Before moving forward we will understand what is VirtualBox. VirtualBox is free open source virtual machine manager software from Oracle. To install any operating system we need machine with CPU, RAM and hard drive. Using VirtualBox we can create virtual machine. Virtual machine is software-based machine and often referred as VM. While creating virtual machine user can decide how many CPU cores should be assigned to the machine, how much RAM and disk space should be allocated to the machine. First we will download VirtualBox and Ubuntu ISO image. Check the description for download links. Go to browser, type virtualbox.org in the address bar. Click on download. Select Windows host. Download has started. In addition to Windows, VirtualBox also supports Mac, Linux and Solaris operating systems. Now we will download Ubuntu ISO image. Go to ubuntu.com. Accept cookie policy. Click on download. Select latest LTS version. Always select LTS version. Download should start automatically. If it doesn't you can click on download now. Download has started. Now we have downloaded VirtualBox and Ubuntu. First we will install VirtualBox. Double-click on VirtualBox installer. Click on Next. Again Next. We want all the features. Now VirtualBox is asking consent to install networking feature. This feature is required to access internet in virtual machine. Click Yes. This will install Python dependencies required for VirtualBox. Click Yes. Now it is ready for installation. Installation has begun. This will take some time depending upon your machine configuration. Installation of VirtualBox is complete. Click on Finish to launch VirtualBox. As of now we don't have any virtual machine created. To create new virtual machine click on New. Give virtual machine a name, here I am giving name Clever Coder. Browse to Ubuntu ISO image. Default username is vboxuser and password is changeme. You can change it. I am changing username to Coder. Set your password. Remember this password, it will be required for logging in. Click on Next. Now we are allocating RAM and CPU cores to virtual machine. I am allocating 4 GB of and 2 CPU to this VM. We can either use slider or spin box for allocation. Click on Next. Allocate space to virtual hard drive. I am allocating around 32 GB of space. You may choose to pre-allocate entire assigned space to hard drive. I am not choosing it, so space will be allocated as and when required. Click on Next. Now we are done with virtual machine setup. Click on Finish. Our virtual machine is ready to power up. Virtual machine is powering up. We can see it starting. Virtual machine is running now. Maximize the VM window. We can scale VM window. Click on View, select Scale Mode. Click on Switch. Maximize the VM window. Close the sidebar. Installation of Ubuntu Linux is in progress now. It may take an hour to complete installation on your machine. You don't need to do anything until login window appears. Now, Ubuntu installation is complete. Click on the user. Enter password which was set at start of installation. Now you are logged into Ubuntu. I will quickly finish initial setup. Ubuntu is ready to use now. You can click on Files to go to your user's home folder. To set the resolution of VM, go to Setting. Find out Display in Setting. Set resolution as per your eye comforts and apply it. The real power of Linux is in its command line. So let's launch terminal by using shortcut Control Alt T. We can add terminal to favorites to pin it to dock. Let's try some commands.